What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be fixing Tyler's Miata. It's got a little bit of a problem with his clutch pedal. So his clutch pedal's a bit spongy. We're not sure if it's the master cylinder or the slave cylinder, so we're just
both.
Yeah, we're just going to do a full service on the cylinders.
Yeah, we're going to get new transmission fluid as well, because I'm pretty sure that's never been changed a single time.
Yeah, and then we're going to do a nice oil change to cap off the maintenance.
But basically what happens is I'll press in the clutch, it'll be fine for a second, and then it'll just be like I have no clutch pedal and it won't let me change gears, and it's dookie.
Yeah, so you'll see us fix that.
Am I good?
Yeah. Alright, stopping at the good old Mickey D's. About to get that gas lunch.
Yes.
About to pick up that Travis Scott.
Extra sickle mode sauce.
Bag secured.
He was too old to like know that I was putting my thumbs up. It's fine.
Radar Borgars, now we're headed to the zone. Auto zone.
Always gotta face your fears, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, just a little bit of scrapage.
Yeah, but we made it, dude.
It
was like we're on a sled down a hill.
Hell yeah, and now we made it to the zone. So, gotta check out these sick fender flares on that Nissan Altima, boy. My man's out here got that V10. Want to use in a garage? Yep. Yeah. Got it.
I got everything right.
Yep.
More oil, filter, gear oil.
Successful trip.
Seeing
Let's see if we can get a little bit of a zoom on that shit.
it. Oh yeah, it's right behind his stack.
His fat stack.
I eat ass. Can't see it from here.
It's a dirty diesel. He's got a fat stack and it says I eat ass. So on.
I think it's fat.
Got that new master cylinder, that new slave cylinder, and all of the fluids. Got us too low to get it onto the lift by itself, so we got to use the good old jack boy. Dude, I know 2.1 quarts is literally ridiculous. You had to buy 3 just to get it. I remember it was a pain in the ass before.
We've got to actually take all this stuff. It's nice having it set up and everything, but...
Yeah. So now we're gonna get to work on pulling this bad slave out and putting the new one in.
Cool that it didn't strip out.
Big facts.
Oh wow, that transmission is extremely hot.
She's a bit of a toast tranny.
Man, hottest tranny around.
We got the slave out, or more so Tyler got the slave out, and this is what the old one looks like.
Bad.
Bad AF.
Alright, let's get the new one in.
Hell yeah.
Excited.
Got the brand new slave cylinder right here, looking much nicer than the old one. So now Tyler's gonna toss it in. Now we're heading on to the master cylinder. Gotta unbolt these 2 bolts right here, and then disconnect the line right here, and then she'll come right out. Right now, Tyler's just taking the line off with a good old line wrench, and then we're gonna be able to pop the whole master right off.
Yeah, that's the rod he was talking about.
Oh, that's the clutch rod?
Yeah, but luckily... Oh, there goes my paint.
Oh, there goes your paint.
Swept off. Excuse me.
Sorry. But yeah, the old master, the fluid in there was about the same color as Tyler's car. So, good thing we're flushing the fluid.
I think I'm about to lose all my paint because instead of using water, I actually just wiped it around with this rod.
Well, I guess we'll know when your paint starts falling off.
It's already there, bud.
Damn, she fits like a glove.
The only time this job is really going to suck is when we realize that it wasn't the slave or master that was leaking, but the line in between.
Oh, that's when it's gonna get real bad.
Yeah, that's when it's going to be like...
Well,
I didn't see any. I looked before.
well, we'll find out. Tyler's using an easy bleeder to start his bleeding process on the brand new slave. Great. Hopping into Tyler's car, gotta bleed the clutch pedal. Oh, all the pressure just left. Yeah, we got a long way to go. Yeah. Hell yeah, after a nice half an hour worth of bleeding.
Hey man, that's what you got to do. I don't really want to do this again.
No, I know, I was just saying it
What'd you do with these fluids?
took a little while. Topping her off real quick.
Oh man, I missed.
That Jimmy Oaks no funnel challenge really effed you.
Hashtag Jimmy Oaks. Oh, rip. You see that? He's got a crack in his socket a little bit.
Damn, F in the chat for your dad's sockets.
Yeah, next time he puts any real force on that thing, it's going bye-bye. You know, I'm actually doing it before it recommended. My sticker recommended. But it's still very dark.
Well, the date your sticker recommends soon.
Well, that was the last sticker I put on. I forgot to change it last time, so I just added.
Oh, we were at my house, right? I forgot.
Yeah, so I just added 3,000 onto whatever that was. Okay.
Quick little tow hook delete, $5. Come get it.
Watch me punch myself in the face. I punched the underside of my car. That's close enough.
Oof. So you think we're right?
You right here. Any bets on colors? Oh, it actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't look that bad actually.
Son of a bitch. Well, we're
Kind
changing
of
it
looks
now.
like chicken broth.
Yeah, actually, that doesn't look bad at all.
Not
But
bad.
it's better doing it and knowing when we did it.
No, big facts, big facts.
Not that much came out either.
No.
Cool.
Do you have a magnetic plug?
No.
Oh.
Any sick tips on better ways to get these stupid fucking oil filters out? Hit me up, because these things are kind of bogus. There she goes. By the way, guys, if you wear a rubber glove, it actually allows you to grip the oil filter coating so your hands don't slip. It works very, very well. Almost flawlessly, might I add.
Yeah, mate. Got the jug right here.
Oh. Colby Brian.
Got that Jimmy Oaks Funnel Challenge.
You have been using a funnel?
Yeah, no, that's the Jimmy Oaks Funnel Challenge, not the Jimmy Oaks No Funnel Challenge.
The Jimmy Oaks Funnel Challenge?
Yeah, bro, you never heard of it?
That's pretty funnily.
Car's running and driving excellent after the transmission service as well as the oil change, and now he actually has a non-spongy clutch pedal that will go up and down with pressure, so that's very nice.
Definitely still grounded going into third.
Damn.
Whatever.
Guess you need a new 6-speed transmission.
That's 70.
Woo.
That was 80.
Dude, you're insane. Hell yeah. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.